Okay, picture's up. Looks like the camera's working.
That's good quality video.
Better be. It's a spare camera for the Mars rover.
How do you get your hands on that?
$1 million camera, $10 lock.
Oh my God, here he comes. This is it.
What the hell is that thing?
I don't know.
This is Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Experimental log. Wormhole generator, test 44.
Wormhole generator test.
The first 43 parallel universes I've checked proved to be empty. I see no reason to suspect universe number 44 will be any different. I found your webcam and replaced the video feed. You two should be ashamed of yourselves.
Sheldon, we're really sorry.
Yeah, really sorry.
You're sorry. You may not realize it, but I have difficulty navigating certain aspects of daily life. You know, understanding sarcasm, feigning interest in others, not talking about trains as much as I want to. It's exhausting, which is why, for 20 minutes a day, I like to go down to that room, turn my mind off, and do what I need to do to recharge.
Wait, what are you doing in there?
What does 43 mean?
You don't need to know. You don't deserve to know. And you will never know.
Yeah, well, I know how to make your egg salad now.
One, two, 3, 6, 7, 8, drat. I'm never gonna get to 43 again. 2, 3.